First line, I shall arrive at 10 a.m. on Tuesday, 12th January, unless I have to make a change, full stop. I will wire you if the time is changed, full stop. Second line, as far as I am aware, the goods were dispatched at least a week ago, full stop. I will look into this and give you the exact date they were sent, full stop. Third line, Alan and Royal have built up a nice business for themselves in Nelson, full stop. The success of the business is due entirely to the way in which they have worked, full stop. Fourth line, a few years ago they were quite poor, but now both of them are worth a large sum of money, full stop. Fifth line, what is the reason for the higher insurance rates which were put into effect last week, ? The rise was quite unexpected, full stop. Sixth line, this state of affairs existed for a long time, despite the fact that we were not satisfied with it, full stop. Seventh line, we were amused at many things he said, but he was certainly worth listening to, full stop. Eighth line, he said, inverted comma start, you may die young because of worry, but certainly work never caused the death of anybody, full stop, inverted commas closed. Ninth line, thank you for your note in which you stated that you were desirous of having an agency for the sale of our textiles in your city, full stop. That line, we have never given any firm the sole right to sell our goods, and this policy does not allow us to give you the sole agency, full stop. We should be happy to have you retail our goods, and we hope you will do so at the usual dealers rates full stop